ignoring car issues. That small problem today could drain your wallet tomorrow. Let's talk about 5 car problems you should never ignore. Squeaky brakes. That's a cry for help. Worn brake pads can damage your rotors, and replacing them costs way more. Running on low oil isn't just risky, it can destroy your engine. A quick oil change now saves you thousands later. Bald tires mean poor grip and higher risk of accidents. Replace them before they leave you stranded, or worse. The check engine light isn't a decoration. It could mean anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. A weak battery can leave you stranded at the worst moment. Get it checked before it's too late. Don't wait for a breakdown. Bring your car to Hera to fix small issues before they turn into big expenses.